Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. 20,000 rupees compensation if alternate flight not arranged in case of denied boarding. DGCA. Business is picking up. Huge surge in bookings, inquiries. Happy to see tourism flourishing. Valley so far records around 1 million visitors this year. Dear Tourism Kashmir. Portugal's tourism could surpass pre-pandemic levels in 2023. Pawan Hans proposes helicopter services connecting key Buddhist destinations. You can now work from Bali with a 5-year visa for digital nomads. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.